Shovel Knight is the best game ever since Ball in a Cup, and I'm gonna tell you why. Number one, you have a shovel. Shit doesn't get cooler than that.
Oh shit, okay.
You gotta dig this pile of Cocoa Puffs. You gotta dig this weird square block of cheese. And you even get to dig up all your enemies. I mean, except this guy. He doesn't really like to be digged up too much. And when you do dig them all up, you get Chaos Emeralds, and you get to become Super Saiyan Knuckles. Doesn't really do much, but you get a sparkle. And who doesn't like to sparkle? Well, communists. That's who. You also get to meet a bunch of friends along the way. Like Proto Knight She-Man. Oh no, she's falling! I'll save you. I'm not that good at this game. There's also a Well who likes to dress up like an apple. I don't really know why though, it's kind of weird. Oh! Then he squirts some love juice into a cup and you drink it. Then I have to beat this guy, then go to this place and meet these people, and then I see this guy and he's like... And I'm like... And I go to these people and he eats a piece of paper for some reason, and Miss Broccoli does something that makes me feel weird, and this guy puffs his chin like... You. And I smack the shit out of this kid's hoop thing because fuck the police, and all of a sudden I'm in Castlevania. And I beat that game, and then I go beat Metrosexual Knight, and all of a sudden I have to choose to save either Carly or Doug. And I'm not ready to make such a huge commitment so early on, but this game's like, hurry up, so I choose Carly because who's really going to save Doug? I mean, come on, Carly's really pretty. And then I... Wait, what game am I playing? Oh yeah! Shovel Knight is the greatest game ever, because everyone said so. Buy it. Oh!